are starting the car.
Hello guys,
Hello guys.
we are starting from Bangalore, Sandeep Vihar at 7:50 a.m. in the morning today. It's 13 February 2021 and we are going to travel around, it's more than 2000 kilometers. Yeah, our first halt will be Hyderabad and then we'll go to Nagpur and then Jhansi. After that we will stay for some time in Lucknow and then finally we'll reach to our hometown Gorakhpur. So it will be a long journey for us and let's see what is going to happen and we'll hope for so much of fun. Thank you. We are starting now.
Yeah guys.
Hello. We
Hello.
are starting.
We are going to start in a big journey.
Yeah. Nice.
Yeah, mountain road.
Yes, it's a mountain road. That's too harsh.
Yeah.
See this again, one more Tata Altroz is going and we are in Tata Nexon. Wow, it's lovely car.
Yeah.
That's nice. That's true.
Hyderabad 522 kilometers.
Yes. See us, Tata Altroz, Tata Nexon, Tata Tigor. ये देखो सारे कार जीप वाले, सारे जीप देख रहे हैं, ऑल जीप गाइस. Yeah, they are going on a long drive, I guess. All jeep car was there. Bagepalli Toll Plaza.
It's a gas line. Yes. Lepakshi Temple. Yes. Now
43 kilometers.
this is a Puttaparthi. From
Yeah.
here 43 kilometers.
Yeah.
This is our.
We have reached a turn from where we can go to Puttaparthi, and it is
Satya Sai.
around 43 kilometers from here. It's a Satya Sai Ashram.
Yes. Here. This is the way.
If it
This
was,
is the way.
if
Yeah.
it was too small,
Yes, Sai Ram.
Hey guys, we reached our hotel in Hyderabad, which is Fairfield by Marriott, and we'll stay overnight here and again we'll start tomorrow morning from here.
Hello guys, I'm going to give you the room tour. It's a business class room, so it's only have a queen size bed.
And here is Harsh. And here is Harsh ke papa.
Hello.
hello.
How are you guys?
हम लोग पहुंच गए होटल
It's Fairfield by Marriott.
इस फेयरफील्ड बाय मैरियट ये बहुत अच्छी घर है ये तुमको जब देखोगे ना अच्छा लगेगा
Now I'm showing you the washroom. It's a washroom, it's a basin, wash basin, and it's a bathing area. Now this is a small room. This is a tea unit, and this is a spacious area for keeping our luggage. And this is a refrigerator, small refrigerator. It's an area for luggage, and this is a writing area, and this is a queen size bed, and this is a view from.
Good morning, everyone. We are
Like
we are just going to have breakfast now, and it is all together included in our food. Hello guys, now we are starting for Nagpur and the time is now it's 10:50. Hopefully we will be reaching there by 6 o'clock.
And the kilometer is, hope you are seeing that, is 524 kilometer.
That's true.
Yeah. Now we are starting from here,
Thank
from
you.
Marriott Hotel, Hyderabad.
Yes.
Hello.
Yeah. Now Harsh, you want to say something?
Hello.
Yes. Now tell.
I'm going to Nagpur. Then
Are you enjoying the road trip
yeah.
from south to north?
Yeah.
Yeah, we are traveling from Bangalore and we are going to Gorakhpur, UP. This is south to north.
South to north.
Yes. And it
It's
will take
some fun.
like 3 to 4 days, but we are going to meet the relatives also, so it will take for us is 1 week.
Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Let's make fun.
Yay.
Yay. Bajrang Bali ki jai.
Bolo baj.
Guys, कैसे लग रहा है?
So guys, so
Seriously
beautiful.
awesome.
See how wide.
Seven hours to reach Nagpur from.
Nagpur, Orange City.
It's an orange city.
Yes.
रुक
Hello guys. Now we are reaching to Nagpur.
अरे हम लोग नागपुर पहुंच भी चुके हैं.
Now we have reached to Nagpur.
हम लोग पहुंच
See
गए.
हवाई अड्डा 3.5 किलोमीटर रेलवे
Zero
स्टेशन.
आज सेकंड डे कंप्लीट हो गया है.
हाँ आज सेकेंड डे हम लोग का कंप्लीट हो गया और हम लोग अपने रिलेटिव के यहाँ जा रहे हैं. मेरे कज़न ब्रदर हैं यहाँ पे रहते हैं. प्रियंका के भी कज़न ब्रदर हैं यहाँ पे.
आज
तो
के
पहले
ब्लॉग
हम लोग प्रियंका के कज़न ब्रदर के घर जा रहे हैं और फिर उसके बाद वहाँ से बनार में मैं अपने कज़न ब्रदर के यहाँ जाऊँगा और फिर वहीं पे हम लोग नाइट स्टे करेंगे. टुमारो अगेन विल स्टार्ट फॉर झांसी.
चलो गाइस आज की ब्लॉग यही एंड करते हैं. फिर चलो कल मिलेंगे. हम लोग कल तुमको एक और जगह घुमाएंगे. बाय बाय. उसके बाद ना
थैंक्स सो नाइस ऑफ यू हर्ष.
उसके बाद ना उसके बाद लखनऊ जाएंगे. उसके बाद गोरखपुर जाएंगे.
गाइस मेट्रो स्टेशन.
हाँ गाइस की दिखाएंगे एक बार ना.
फिर से कैमरा ऑन किए. सी दिस मेट्रो स्टेशन, नागपुर मेट्रो स्टेशन. यस वही है. बैंगलोर का पूरा तैयार नहीं हुआ बट नागपुर का पूरा तैयार है.